Hey everyone, my name is Alex, and on this channel I share my personal journey, how I am building the blockchain protocol called Properly, where we aim to become the NASDAQ for the metaverse. In my previous video, I shared my experience how I participated in the first ever hackathon. On this video, I would like to give a little update of what has happened since then and walk you through the project, share a little bit where the inspiration for the project came from and how we built it. I've also decided to take YouTube more seriously, so I updated my light and hopefully I'll get a new mic soon. If you would like to follow along, smash that like button, subscribe, maybe the bell notification button. So this week we had a meeting with the design team. We are building out the brand identity in terms of how the logo is going to look like, what's the feel going to be for the website, just in general, how we're going to present ourselves. I think in any project, this is a very important thing because blockchain is a quite complicated subject matter. And since we are in the DeFi space, but also in the NFT space, we have to find a way how to combine the two worlds together, because often people who are investing in NFTs are not really participating in the DeFi protocols and vice versa. We feel like those two worlds should be combined. Added a little bit of lights here. So we are taking our inspiration from two different protocols. One is called Mirror Finance, the other is called Synthetix. Both of those protocols are creating synthetic assets for things like stocks, commodities. People can trade tokens on the blockchain that are mirroring the price of the actual stock. So how they're doing it is they're taking off-chain data like stock prices, gold prices, and putting them on-chain for oracles. How we plan to do it is we're going to take on-chain data. A good example is Decentraland's land. We would like to create a synthetic index around Decentraland's land. People will be able to buy this index, and if the price grows, so does their investments grow. And the same way, if they own land and they would like to hedge their position, they could mint the index and then sell it on the market. So in case the price goes down, they will be able to buy back it for a cheaper price and hedge their positions. In order to give a little visual overview of what I'm talking about, I'm going to make a little demo of those two projects. And then we're going to move over to Properly protocol and we'll go through the user story, how it's going to work. So here we are, we see Mirror protocol, see the collateralization ratio. So what it means is that people have to deposit 193% more collateral to mint those synthetic assets. Here we have a list of assets. Mirror is the native token and M assets are the synthetic assets. We can see M Twitter, M Tesla. People can essentially trade synthetic stocks through Mirror protocol and have price exposure to Tesla through a token that they traded and bought on this protocol. How is the price adjusted? It's adjusted through oracles. Oracles are checking the market and seeing for how much Twitter is trading for, or Tesla, and then people who are minting those assets are minting them at the last price of the traded token. So if we go into mint, we can select the asset, let's say M Amazon. So if I would like to mint one M Amazon, I would have to collateralize 7,000 USDT. You can adjust the collateralization ratio, but in order to not get liquidated, you have to be on the safe side. So the project recommends to collateralize at least 200%. As we see, Amazon is currently trading at 3,458. So that's why the collateralization is 7,000. Then you can go sell the asset, or you also can become a liquidity provider by providing this asset to the pool and staking it in the pools. So as we can see, there are plenty of different pools. Not only gives you the price exposure to the underlying asset, it also allows you to earn the yield from the protocol. So the protocol is incentivizing you by issuing mirror tokens to the people staking different LP tokens of synthetic assets. So if you want to go short on AMC, for example, or you think GameStop price is going to go down, you can mint GameStop, you can go to the trade, you can sell it. After you have sold it, if the price is going to go down, you buy it again and you burn the token and you get your collateral back. This way you can go short. And also, if you don't want to issue any collateral, you want to just get price exposure from the token, you just buy the particular token and you get the price exposure for the growth. Let's move over to Properly Protocol prototype. While building this prototype, we build the collateralization, we built the minting of the index token, we built the burning of the index token, and we also built the withdrawal of the collateralization. Additionally, we tested out working with Chainlink's oracles. Through Chainlink's oracles, we are establishing the price of DLAND, so Decentraland's land. Currently, you can see that the price is at 17 Ethereum. Unfortunately, while building the oracle, we did not account that some people sell bundles of land. They are called estates. So we are planning to calculate the price of land per a single land. So if we look at the land, we can see that the average price for the land is around 10,000. So what we're planning to do is take the last 1,000 transactions and get the index price for DLAND. When we get the index price for DLAND, people will be able to come to Properly Protocol, deposit collateral, and then mint DLAND tokens. Tokens are minted, we will reward our liquidity providers in our own native token. By getting our inspiration from Pull Together Protocol, we created a unique mechanism to create deflation for our native token. All the collateral that is deposited to mint tokens is going to go to a lending protocol. For the prototype, we sent it to Compound. It is taking the earned interest from a lending protocol and then goes to an exchange, buys back the tokens and burns them. Thank you everyone for tuning in today, and I'll catch you on the next video.